Hey everyone, welcome back to my mini vlog. You might be wondering that where I am heading to. Yeah, so I will tell you that I am going for an evening walk. Yes. Actually, I have not been going outside for long, so I was getting headache, and as a result, I thought that okay, let's do something. Let's go outside. Let's take a fresh air. It's important, if you are not going outside, if you are not taking breathe openly, so it creates some health issues, not if not health issues, but definitely you will feel disturbed, you will feel stressed. So I was also going through the same situation. That's how eventually I decided to go for a walk, and I'll show you some beautiful sight scenes as well, so that you can also enjoy with me. I'm here with my younger son, but as he walks very fast, it's important to take care of your health. We women generally don't take care of our health because we are completely engrossed taking care of our family members, because we are caught up with so many things. We think that our plate is already full and we don't have much time to take care of ourselves. But I feel that it is something which is wrong, right? You need to take care of yourself, because if you are healthy, then only you can take care of your family members. You can see it's an unpaved way where it is quite challenging, right? At times to walk on such path, but I think one needs to be very much mindful while walking through unpaved way like this. But fortunately, it's not too long. Here you can see down its road, and we will walk there only. Yeah, he is my son, Jivansh Negi. Yes, we are going down, 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 down. Hey Jivansh, say hi.
Hello guys.
Yes, but at times it is adventurous as well, walking on such path, seriously. And you can see the beauty of the nature. It's so mesmerizing, so fascinating, right? Sometimes I wonder that how people who are living in cities are experiencing scorching heat, these days. But yes, fortunately, it seems as if we are living in heaven, especially during summer season. But do you know, there is one thing which I am missing a lot, that is mangoes. I know that people who are living in cities, plain areas, they must be relishing, mangoes. Oh my God. And we are not getting mangoes here. I have, asked, I have checked everywhere in every shops, but so far we are not getting anywhere here. So that is something which I am truly missing, because
They were expensive.
what does it mean? But there is a drawback, seriously, as it is said that every coin has two sides, pros and cons. Similarly here as well, people who are living in the hills, they know or they experience this wildfire during summer. Now I will show you the real beauty of Uttarakhand. See, so beautiful. And
I'm
Jivansh
also
Negi.
beautiful.
Ah, you are so handsome, Jivansh.